Hi guys, it's Tammy. Woo, sorry. And I have one more, well, you guys don't know, but I've been videoing quite a few videos today. It's the first day I've really felt like doing it since my surgery, and I thought that I'd better just do all of them that I can. So I have one more right now, but I think I'm going to be getting some more. But I ordered some stuff for my coffee bar, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I would lift the box up, but it is too heavy for me to lift right now because I am on a weight restriction of 10 pounds. So I don't know that it's necessarily too much, but I think it probably is. So I'm just going to err on the safe side for caution. And, okay, so you guys know that I love my Torini. And I have done videos before on my Torini syrups. And there is a new place that I learned about called Lollicup USA. And I had never heard of them before, but thanks to Hot Southern Mess, who's also Mini-Me in Tennessee, who I follow on YouTube, she was talking about this very company, and that she's the reason that I even found it and knew anything about it. But they are a restaurant distributor seller. So lollicupusa.com. I will try my best to put that down here. No, it's actually lollicup.com. Lollicup.com. And it looks like they have a cupdepot.com too that maybe sells like wholesale cups and stuff. I don't know if you were having a big party. They do ship very well. This is how these were shipped, with a bottom container and then a top container. So anyway, I love Torini syrups, and I had seen Mini-Me, her name's Lisa. I had seen Lisa have sugar-free like syrups, and I thought, what the heck? Not this kind of syrups, chocolate and caramel syrups. And I was like, what? So she did a video on where she got them, and I was super excited to see it because I want to make a coffee bar for myself. And I know it's going to take a little bit of work because I don't have the space on my counters right now, and I really need to clean that up. And I bought an air fryer too, so I'm just kind of a mess. I need to get all of that done. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it done while I'm off this week or not. I'm still pretty pooped, to be honest, and I'm probably going to put this on both channels so that you guys can see it on both, because it's definitely worth both. And I need a drink, I'm sorry. But I used to go, well, I do go straight to Torini.com to order my syrups, and they have lots of sugar-free syrups. This one comes in a glass jar. And I noticed that this one is in a plastic jar, and it's a lot lighter in the plastic jars. But I have never seen this one at Torini. And that's weird to me because you would think that Torini would sell all of Torini's stuff. They don't. So Torini has sugar-free sweetener syrup, which is just like sugar water, or I don't know what else you'd call it, but simple water or simple base or something. When you're cooking, they call it something. But I thought this would be good just to have in case I needed a sweetener for something. I could use this instead of using regular sugar, or even my Splenda packages, or my thing of Splenda, whatever. Or stevia is actually what I'm using now. But this is sweetened with Splenda, which is my second choice. So this has 0 calories, 0 fat, 5 sodiums, 5 milligrams of sodium, so it's 0% of your daily value, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, 0 proteins, and I'm sure it's fabulous, just sweetener. And then this one is the vanilla bean. Now they do sell this one at the Torini one, and I get this from there, and it's in the glass jar too, and it says it's good for lattes, brewed coffees, iced coffees, and it really is. And the vanilla bean is my favorite vanilla flavor. I also love the, there's lots of flavors that I like, but my two favorites are the salted caramel and vanilla bean. And although I'm not able to enjoy these quite yet, although I could probably put a little bit, and maybe I will put a little bit of the vanilla bean in my vanilla protein shake just to give it a little more vanilla flavor. I think that would be fine now. But I know I will be able to soon, and I want to make sure that I have my coffee because I love it. And, you know, I can't let myself not have all of the things that I love because they make it in a formula that I can. So these are both sugar-free, and then this is the creme de la creme that I was so excited about. Now, they sell the caramel syrups and the chocolate syrups in a regular size. Those are heavy. In a regular size, like a squirt bottle in the Torini website, but they don't sell sugar-free. The only place that Lisa said that she was able to find it, and I just took her word for it, was this Lollicup place. And you have to buy a ton of it. So this is 64 fluid ounces of it. But I know she said that she had hers for like a year and it was still good and she still used it. So I don't mind if I have to buy one a year. They were like $15 a piece, but I have the sugar-free caramel and I have the sugar-free white chocolate, which is my white chocolate mochas. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. So now, I am not a barista. I don't know how to make these drinks, so I'm going to have to experiment and look online and try to find some, but I'm pretty excited about it. They do have a chocolate one too, and I'll probably get that the next time. I don't know why I just didn't go ahead and order that one too. These are definitely my two favorites. I guess I should be showing them. These are definitely my two favorites, but I really, you know, I like chocolate too sometimes. And it's not only good for coffee, you can use it as a topping for something, or if you wanted to have some apples and put some caramel on top. Doesn't that sound good? Or something like that. You could certainly do that with this. And these are sugar-free. So let me tell you what the caramel is. 80 calories per 2 tablespoons. And that's a lot. I probably won't use a full 2 tablespoons in anything, but 80 calories, 2 grams of fat, 19 carbs, 5 fibers, and 0 protein. And the sugar-free white chocolate, this one, I love my white chocolate mochas. Love, love, love them. This one is 80 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 19 carbs, 5 fibers, and 0 proteins. So this one I probably will use up in a month. No, I'm teasing. Probably not, but I love my white chocolate mochas, and to be able to make them myself at home is going to be fabulous, and make them sugar-free and decaf. I'm just going to be in heaven. And even iced. I mean, I'm just so excited about this, guys. I cannot tell you how excited I am. So I think my friend Tracy is going to be coming sometime soon, and I'm going to have her help me do the coffee bar and straighten up my counters, just because it seems so overwhelming to me right now. And it could just be because I'm still tired from surgery. Today is Friday. I had surgery a week ago. I don't know when this is posting, so if you guys see it later, hopefully by then I'll have my coffee bar up. I don't know when Tracy's coming either, but I know she's planning a visit for sometime soon, and I can wait till then because I can't have this right away anyway. It's going to be a few months out before I can have this, I think. I don't know. I'll have to even look to see when I can have it because I don't want to push anything, and but I am super excited about it. And I think that this might be some incentive for her to come. No, I don't think she needs any incentive. She's excited about coming, and I am so excited about having her here. So that is what I got, but I also got the little lid things to put inside. Oh, and what I was going to tell you was so funny is that this is actually cheaper on this Lollicup site than it is through Torini itself. I don't get it. I don't know how that works or why that works. And there weren't as many sugar-free flavors at this site as there were, but my sugar-free caramel, which I already have a full one of, and the vanilla bean are both on there. And then this one, which was a new one. And then of course, this is the real reason I went, was because of these, but especially this one, but the caramel one too. I mean, I love my caramel macchiatos. So these are just the pumps that fit right on side, and they make them specifically for whichever you want. And they sell lots of others besides Torini. They sell, I also got the pumps for these bottles. So this will be nice. Oh, and it even has, it says Torini Sauce Pump Flavor ID stickers. So sugar-free white chocolate. And it tells you it dispenses 1/2 of an ounce. Ooh, there's a peppermint bark one. sugar-free caramel, and then sugar-free dark chocolate. So I'm going to have to get the dark chocolate one. But depress the pump all the way down before inserting into the bottom. Insert into the bottle. Insert pump part way and slowly release pump to allow sauce into the pump chamber. Depress the pump again and allow more product into the pump while slowly lowering pump all the way into the bottle. And then you put this on top so that it will know what one you have. And there's the regular, and then there's the sugar-free. So I am certainly going to be doing the sugar-free one, and I'll put that right here on top of this. And this just fits right inside, and then I can pump it away. And oh, how fabulous. So I got 2 of those, 1 for each of my bottles, and then I ended up getting 3 of these because I think it was 3 for something, and Lord knows I could use them. Oh, it looks like I got 4 of these. Oh, no, that was this one. I thought, what the world? So yeah, I'm good. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. Thank you so much for telling me about it. If you're watching, Lisa, I don't even know if you know who I am or that I have a channel or anything, but you are really cute, and she doesn't have as many subscribers as she needs. So I don't know if any of you guys are looking for somebody to subscribe to, or, you know, someone entertaining, but she has a weight loss channel, which is Mini Me in Tennessee, and then she also has just a regular channel called Hot Southern Mess, and I think she's really cute, so I will send you guys her way, and I hope that you guys will like her as much as I do. She's super sweet. And yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, I'll show you guys my coffee bar after I get it done. And right now I'm feeling overwhelmed with all of it, and I'm kind of just feeling like, oh my gosh, I have so much to do. And I don't feel like doing anything but laying down at the moment. And I probably will lay down right now and take a little bit of a siesta, and then start doing something else later. And I'm hoping to do another unboxing later today of an air fryer that I ordered. I think it'll be here, and then I'll post that later too. So I don't know when these are getting posted, but just so you know, today is the day that I'm filming a lot, and I do feel better. I feel so, I mean, honestly, the only complaint I have is that I'm just tired. And that's probably because I'm not sleeping in my regular bed, and probably because I have, you know, I just had a major surgery a week ago, but I feel great. So, yay. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.